But you know something, if you die to a boss, you won't actually drop any. The more you know. Cool, man. Want to use my tent? Before? Yes, please. I need healing. Guys, I've been playing this for a long time and this is just a demo. I haven't bought the game yet. I was considering buying it earlier, but like when I saw that they have a demo. HP and MP restored. I think I'm definitely gonna get it. It's only 10 bucks. 10 bucks. It's like, it has that Final Fantasy feel with a little bit of platforming, but psst, wanna buy some items, pal? Ooh. Oh, these are the maps. Proving Meadows. Map of Trial of Caves. You know what? I need these maps. I need these maps. More than the armor, I need the maps because I'm always lost. And I'll buy these tonics too. Alright, I'm broke. I'm broke. Huh? I thought there was going to be something amazing in there. Nothing. Want to use my tent? No. Get out of here. Love it. Proving Meadows, West Delende, East Trial Caves. Okay. What do I got to prove though, huh? Okay, so oh yeah, you guys got all the armor, right? Buy some weapons. Oh, this is beautiful. I desperately need new armor, but I've only got a bit of cash left. Yeah, that sounds like me. Look at that headgear. Wow, that's expensive. 150. Alright, what do you got? I got some nice jewelry for sale and none of it's stolen. Oh, nice. Wow, that's 500 for a protective amulet. Bracer. Wow, everybody levels up with these. Oh, I think I'm going to have to buy this game and quit playing the demo because I don't want to lose all this progress I made. I wonder if it carries over. There's my map. You see my map down there? That was well worth 20 cents. These are uncharted. Oh yeah, this is the guy I was wondering if he's a friend or foe. Want a random tip, guy? Don't stress too much about min-maxing your growth right now. There's an NPC later that can help you respec if you're into that. I want to jump in here. And nothing happens. You know what I want to do, right? I'm not going to jump off. Could it be that good of a game or did I gotta know. It didn't cost me anything. I see a treasure chest over. It rewards this craziness. I love it. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, so now I can hold more of the magic healing thing? I can hold 13 now. Man, this is a good game. I can go behind here, right? There's gotta be a way to get... What is that? It's so dark. Oh? I still don't think I can get that, though. Yeah. Alright, get me out of here. How do I get out of here now? Stuck? Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Oh no. Oh no, there's a thing bumping my head there. How do I get out of here? I'm so confused. What do I do? I need the Zora armor so I can swim up the waterfall. Zelda? Oh my gosh, what do I do? What have I done? Maybe I can just walk over. Is this a glitch? Oh, there we go. Oh my god, this is hard. Come on, man, jump! Jump! Oh, that was tough. At least now I know they reward the exploration. I wonder if I can climb this tree. I need to get up there, so I'll jump on the lamp. Whoa, ho, ho, ho. And he's not gonna let me up. What do I do? Uh-oh. What have I done? A burglar glove! I didn't even know that was there! Okay, let's equip the burglar glove, man. Who's gonna be my burglar? Can't unequip nothing. Burglar glove. Okay. Chance to steal is increased by 15%. Sure, why not? I don't steal, but... So what does that mean I can... Where's the steal option? Yeah, I wanna... Come on, Nick. Holy cow, I gotta climb all the way back up here? This is gonna take a while. No, that's not right. How do I warp? World map. View markers, steps layer. I don't know how to warp yet. That goes up to the guy. Okay, there's nothing over there. Maybe I can warp here, so... Oh, okay. Nothing over here? I'm guessing that's where I gotta go, though. I gotta go up here. And it seems like I gotta do a bunch of climbing. Come on, buddy. Up, 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 up you go. Where you land, no one knows. Oh yeah, okay, I'm back here. Gelände. This is back to the beginning. Seaside Cliffs. Have I gone there yet? Went that way last time. So you don't have to worry about, like, if you miss something, because Big Blue's okay, right? Alright, a couple wrap. Wow! The Rastin's hit points are 260? I may have to go back to the other guy for healing after this fight. So that carrot is floating in the air. I wonder if I'll get him with the Earth Split. If we can get rid of one of them, that's a bonus. Single target, 196. 120. 27. All right, my Lydia should be able to finish him off. Split. Oh, so close. This is the weaker one? Yeah, let's finish him off. I'm gonna have to take another punch to the face unless I roast him. Oh, I still took a punch to the face. Should have saved it. Poverty spirit. So I got a rabbit's claw. And one of those. Oh, so I got 2 rabbit's claws. Okay. Man, this game is really good. The feeling of adventure to this unknown world is overwhelmingly great. I hope I don't die. No. Fire seems to be good on these guys. They're both looking at me aggressively, so I'm a little bit nervous. Okay. Still looking at me. You looking at me? So I'm gonna have to hit this guy, and then my Lydia will take them all out. The earth split. Uh-oh. Wasted all my magic, man. I should have just took out the other rabbit and killed him. What was I thinking? I shot the wrong one. Whoops. Who is this? Joking? You gotta be joking, man. He's still got full energy. We'll lay down the beats. Oh. Only got 11? How much does that cost? Ah, oh, 1 short? You gotta be joking, man. Wow, why is everyone after Leonardo? Leave the Leonardo alone. Moving on. Alright, we got a rabbit's claw of a rabbit. Alright, have some juice. We'll have some stew. One more. I don't want to jump down there and climb all the way back up again. And I'm going back there again. Bet you, I bet you. Come on. Oh! Okay.